Hey there everyone, today we are busting 5 common food myths that you have probably heard before. Get ready to have your mind blown and your taste bud tingling. First myth. Carbs are the enemy. The myth has led many people to believe that all carbohydrates are bad for their health and should be avoided. However, it is important to understand that not all carbs are created equal. There are two main types of carbohydrates, simple and complex. Simple carbs, like those found in sugary snacks and processed foods, can cause blood sugar spikes and contribute to weight gains. On the other hand, complex carbs, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are rich in nutrients and fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. For example, instead of reaching for a sugary cereal or white bread, opt for whole grain options like oatmeal or whole wheat bread. These choices provide essential nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and fiber, which can help support a healthy diet and overall well-being. So, the key takeaway is not to avoid carbs altogether, but to choose healthier nutrient-dense carbohydrate source for a balanced and satisfying diet. Myth 2. Fat-free is always better. This myth has led many people to believe that fat-free products are healthier and better for weight management. However, the reality is that fat-free doesn't always mean healthier. When fat is removed from a product, it often loses its taste and texture. To compensate for this, manufacturers may add sugar, artificial sweeteners, or other additives to improve the flavor. As a result, fat-free products can sometimes be higher in calories and less nutritious than their full-fat counterparts. Myth number 3. Microwaving destroys nutrients. This myth suggests that microwaving food destroys its nutritional value. However, this is not entirely accurate. While it is true that some nutrients can be lost during the cooking process, microwaving is actually one of the best methods to preserve nutrients. The reason for this is that microwaving cooks food quickly and uses minimal water, which helps to retain more nutrients compared to other cooking methods like boiling or frying. For example, when you microwave vegetables, they retain more of their vitamins and minerals because the cooking time is shorter and there's less water for the nutrients to leach into. So, contrary to popular belief, microwaving can be a nutrient-preserving cooking method when used correctly. Myth number 4. Eating late at night causes weight gain. This myth suggests that consuming food late at night leads to weight gain. However, this is not entirely true. Weight gain occurs when you consume more calories than your body burns, regardless of the time of day. It's the total calories intake and expenditure that matters, not the timing of your meals. For example, if you maintain a balanced diet and consume an appropriate number of calories throughout the day, eating a small, healthy snack late at night should not cause weight gain. It is essential to focus on the quality and quantity of the food you eat, rather than the time you eat it. Myth number 5. All organic food is healthier. This myth suggests that organic food is always a healthier option compared to conventionally grown food. While organic food is produced without synthetic pesticides, chemical fertilizers, and genetically modified organisms, it doesn't automatically mean that it is more nutritious. The nutritional value of the food item depends on various factors, such as soil quality, growing conditions, and harvesting methods. For example, an organically grown apple and a conventionally grown apple may have similar nutritional content if they are grown in similar conditions. It is essential to focus on consuming a balanced diet with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regardless of whether they are organic or conventionally grown, choosing organic food can be a personal preference based on environmental or ethical concerns, but it is not a guarantee of higher nutritional value. And there you have it, 5 food myths busted. Now you are armed with the knowledge to make better food choices and enjoy your meals guilt-free. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious content from me.